Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today, as you can see, I'm coming before you guys for the first time ever with glasses on. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys some of my tips and tricks as well as getting glam of pretty much what I do when I'm wearing my glasses. I do wear makeup pretty much every day. During the quarantine, I haven't been wearing it as much as I would usually do when I'm out, but quite often I do have to wear my glasses. So when I am wearing my glasses, I do follow specific steps and do certain things to prevent those lines that you get on your nose. And obviously with the frame that I have, I do get it on my cheeks quite a lot. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. My name is Belle. If you're not already subscribed, please be sure to click that subscribe button down below, and obviously do give this video a thumbs up too. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. The first thing I want to show you guys is what I'm going to use on my eyes. This is the Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and it literally is a dupe to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is prep my eyelids. I did put a little bit of the Revolution Eye Base, Ultimate Eye Base on it. I used the shade medium, but I'm actually going to go on top of that with the Too Faced concealer in the shade Butterscotch, just to give me a bit more coverage. I mean, it's a soft glam, but we do want the eyeshadow to pop still through our glasses. So okay, the first shade I want to go in with is this caramel kind of shade here. So I'm just going to apply this in my crease. So I'm going to go in with a deeper shade. I want to try out this shade at the bottom here, which is like, I don't know, like a nutmeg kind of colour. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with that just basically on top of it. How are you guys, by the way? Like, how's everyone doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. I know there's obviously been a lot of changes with the lockdown rules. 1 minute they're telling everyone to go out and eat, the next minute they're telling people to stay in pairs of 6. I know there's some areas in the UK that actually are still on lockdown, so yeah, hopefully that doesn't come to this side. I think I want to try this shade here at the bottom next, just to deepen up that crease a little bit, and just go in with that on the outer corner of my eye, just ever so slightly. On my lid, I'm going to go in with this shade at the top here. Guys, I'm in a bit of a dilemma because, like, in person I am quite a talkative person, but then sometimes I feel like when I'm talking in my videos you guys aren't really interested. I'll be honest, it's not easy actually talking and doing makeup at the same time, because when I do my makeup I usually just sit there and not talk much, because I'm a bit of a perfectionist and I really do like to just like focus on what I'm doing. But then obviously I don't want you guys to be bored watching my videos. But then the dilemma is I am quite talkative and I do talk quite a lot, and you guys probably don't see it too much. In fact, I think you probably do a little bit, but not too much in my videos, because when I'm editing my videos I'm just like, girl, you are talking so much, and I have to edit out quite a lot of it because otherwise the videos will be too long. But I mean, I am a talkative person, and obviously I do want to engage and talk to you guys. Sometimes you can be talking about something and then you're really getting into what you're saying that you actually forget about the makeup look, and then you just take your time and then the video ends up being longer. But I don't know, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't want to just do voiceovers because that's not really engaging. But I know that there's a few of you guys that have recently subscribed, and thank you so much for that. But yeah, even now I'm talking quite a lot, so I'm just going to quickly wrap this up and then we can move on to the base. So when I'm wearing glasses I still always go in with this primer, which has pretty much been my favourite primer because it does have that grip to it, so to speak. I just think it just applies well when I'm wearing makeup and then going in with like my glasses. So I've been loving the Nars Longwear Radiant foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and wear this. I'm gonna go in with the shade Macao and New Caledonia. So I've pretty much already gone ahead and I've applied New Caledonia around my mouth. This is a step that I always do. I never skip this step when I do my makeup. So yeah, so as I mentioned, one of my main issues is obviously that mark over here. So basically when I'm applying my makeup and I'm wearing my glasses, I try not to apply too much product in that area, and sort of kind of focus more of the powder in that area. But the rest of my face I am going to apply my foundation. I do think the type of foundation you wear does make a difference as well, because I find if I wear like some of my like more dewy foundations, like for example the XX Revolution, that's more like of a glow foundation, and it doesn't have much of like a matte or semi-matte finish, so I find that with that kind of foundation it is a lot easier for that mark to come up around my nose. Yeah, I think that's like the main issue, it's just the base, isn't it? So as you can see, I've pretty much left my nose blank, so what I'm going to do is just tap off the excess on the sponge on the back of my hand. Whatever's left over on the sponge is what I'm going to go into my nose with. Obviously you want to make sure it's all blended accurately, so the least amount of product is applied basically in this region here. Another thing that I'm very conscious of doing is thinking about the type of concealers that I wear. So obviously if I get that mark there, if I'm wearing like a cream hydrating concealer, that is going to increase the chances of me getting that mark there, and obviously I want to reduce that as much as possible. So I like to go in with sort of like matte concealers, and Too Faced Born This Way, I would probably put that in that region. It's not drying, but it's not super hydrating. It does dry down quite matte, and it is obviously full coverage. And I do often bring my concealer like here as well. You guys will see in a second as I'm blending, but I'm just very strategic with how I blend out the concealer and foundation. So I am still going to go in with my sponge, but with this area I do like to leave it for a little bit longer to dry, because it will just give me a better chance of preventing getting that mark. So in all of the other areas I'm going to continue to blend. I hope you guys get what I'm saying, by the way. So whilst that's sitting, I'm going to quickly cream contour. This is the Revolution Infinite Concealer, so I've let that sit for a little bit, so I'm just going to go in and basically blend that out, because when I blend my concealer I do kind of go onto my nose, because I don't like contouring my nose, and I find that when you just blend the concealer there, it just gives you like more of like a natural kind of contoured appearance, or like a natural contoured look. And I didn't put a lot of product around my nose, so I don't have to worry. This is usually the area that I get the mark, and I've only put like a little bit of product there. That's why I went in with a little bit of foundation, because I knew that I was going to bring my concealer there, and if I put like loads of foundation and loads of concealer, I just feel like it kind of increases the chances of me getting that mark there. So pretty much done with the base. So the prevention comes from not just how you do the base and blend, but the powders next. So obviously you guys already know I've pretty much been loving my Mercier Translucent powder. This is in the shade Translucent, and I like to go in with a sponge for a specific reason, because it really sinks in, whereas with a brush I feel like it has more of a chance of sitting on top. But yeah, so I'm just gonna blend, and you'll find that when I am doing this, you guys probably can't always see, but I tap off the excess on the back of my hand first, and then I go straight in here, and then I bring it up, so there's not like a whole leap of it right underneath my eyes, but focusing it basically here. So I'm just going to do that same thing again, and what I like to do is just let a little bit of powder sit there for a bit. I'm not really a baker, but in that particular area I do like to let it sit, so that everything gets sucked in. So I'm just going to do the same on this side. Okay, so once I've set the rest of the highlighted areas, I go back in with that sponge. I haven't added any more powder, and I just basically tap in the excess. That's pretty much what I do for the base. Okay, I'm just going to quickly bronze my face, and I'm going to use the Beauty Bay bronzer in the shade Caramel. I have already done a review on this / first impressions, so just check my previous video if you want to see that. And I'm just going to go in ahead and use my Beauty Bay blusher in Coral. Okay, so when I'm wearing glasses I obviously can't wear any eyelashes, which is probably why some of my videos I'm often not wearing any eyelashes, because I'm going to be wearing my glasses throughout the day. Still, even if you're not wearing any eyelashes, you do want your eyes to pop and come out a little bit. Obviously this eye look is very neutral, very soft, but I usually just go straight on with my mascara, and I really do build up my lashes. So the mascara that I've been absolutely loving, which is like no other mascara that I've been using, is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. I did do a video on this already, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. And like I said, I do like to build up this mascara. When I apply my mascara, I really push it at the base. Sometimes it does already look like I'm wearing eyeliner. So this is what my lashes currently look like with just the volume side, but obviously I do want to build that up a little bit, so I'm going to go in with the curl and length side, and you do still see my lashes even through my glasses. But okay, so my camera cut out whilst I was applying the rest of the mascara, and I actually hit myself in the face a little bit, and I can't remove the mark. I mean, I tried my best, but I'm wearing glasses, so I can get away with it. So just to throw this in a video, for my lips I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Expresso. I use this as a lip liner because I feel like it just has the right tone. For my lipstick, I'm going to use the Revolution lipstick in Latte. I've pretty much been using this quite a lot off camera, and I really like it. I just love the undertone and the shade itself. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. lip gloss. This is in Naked Nude. It's their High Shine one, but in error it says High Shine Liquid Lipstick, but it's not a liquid lipstick, it's actually a lip gloss. So I'm just going to apply that on top. Absolutely love this lip gloss paired with this lipstick. So obviously when I'm going out, I will go in with like a setting spray that will actually fix my makeup, e.g. the Charlotte Tilbury one, but today I'm not, so I'm going to use a different kind of spray, but I'm not going to spray in this area. So what I do is I just put my hand here like this and I spray it everywhere else. And I make sure it doesn't get in this region right here, because obviously when I put my glasses on, I don't want to enhance that chance of me getting that mark there. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and this is what I look like when I'm wearing my glasses. Obviously I'm not that close to the camera, so you probably can't see the details too much, but if you can see like the frame of my glasses, you can tell that it literally stops just below my eyebrows. And then obviously this part here stops on my cheeks, and obviously I do smile quite a lot as well. And then you can see where it is on my nose. So if I just bring you guys in a little bit closer. So I know the lights probably do have an effect on what you're able to see at the moment, but you can still see details of my makeup even through my glasses. And if I take my glasses off, I mean, there's no like deep indentation on my nose, and that's pretty much because of the steps that I took to prevent that from happening, and obviously powdering and not setting in this area. But yeah, without my glasses I can't see properly. Obviously there are like loads of different frames. Maybe the frames that you guys have probably won't have this big issue, because majority of people do have like the rectangular frame where it doesn't like go on your cheeks. So a lot of the times if I'm wearing like, if I don't do the process or take the steps that I did today, especially because I smile quite a lot, I do have marks here and also on my nose. So yeah, this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and I hope that I will see you all in my next one. Bye.